When the day begins, you need a partner that's ready for anything. The 6M220 is built to take on every challenge, every day. Command X Plus puts precision at your fingertips. Effortless, intuitive. The G5 display gives you clarity, control, and precision like never before. Thanks to the G5 display and Command X Plus, the new 6M features an operating concept fully aligned across the fleet, up to the 8R high horsepower. The E19 transmission delivers seamless gear changes and maximum efficiency. Drive it your way, fully automatic or manual, always efficient. The E19 transmission solves the common problems of manual gearboxes. Thanks to intelligent sensor technology, gear shifts are triggered proactively as terrain changes. No extra load on the engine, just smooth, efficient shifting without torque interruption. The tractor reacts proactively, ensuring smooth operation even in changing conditions. E19 goes beyond automated gear shifting, providing intelligent engine transmission management. Your 6M is expert-level precision ag ready, providing the same interface and a broad portfolio of precision ag features like known from our series tractors. Whatever the job field, transport or contracting work, the 6M220 is your all-rounder. The 6M series, powerful, fast, intuitive.